Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching how to fix tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to give the remote desktop connection rights to the users. So how you can give them? Go to here, File Explorer or this PC. Open it. Click on this PC. Okay. Then right click on it. Go to Manage option here, which is the second option. Now double click on local users and groups. Okay, or you can expand it from side like this. Then click on the groups. First you need to make sure that which user you want to give the remote desktop rights. Like I will show you the test one, how you can give the remote desktop right to test one. Go to group. After selecting the right user, click on the group options. Okay, once you click on the group option, you should see the more options and the GPU. Now look for remote desktop users. You can see here remote desktop users. This is, double click on it. Once you double click on it, you need to click on here add button and then type a test one. Okay, check names. Now you can see it is selected. Now computer name you can see here and then the test one. If you want the user to give the domain remote desktop rights, you can type the name. First you can type the domain name like this, test.com. Okay, and then this slash and then give the username test1 like this and then click on check names. This is for domain. We are giving the remote desktop rights to the local user, so we are just typing test1 and then click on check names. Okay, now click on OK. Once you click on OK, it is seeing the members. The username is here listed inside the members. Okay, now you can remove it also and you can add the other user as well by clicking on add. Now it is selected now and it is added. Now apply, then OK. Now refresh it and again look for remote desktop user and confirm the user is listed here. Okay, so this is how you can give the remote desktop right to local user and domain users. So hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech.